Been so long. I missed you guys. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Amanda and I'm so glad that you're here. We are finally back and we are back with another video, and in today's video we are doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This box is actually a Boxyluxe box, so it's that giant box that we get. I think it's once every 3 or 4 months. If you guys haven't tried Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a subscription beauty box that comes once a month. Normally you pay $21 and you get at least 5 full-size products. Most of them are name brand, like sometimes you'll get Tarte in here, you'll get ColourPop, you'll get all sorts of different things, and it's a nice little subscription box that you can try out different makeup products that you haven't necessarily tried before. This box is the Boxyluxe box, and the Luxe box comes and normally you get 10 full-size products. This one is $50, but you get way better things in here. Like sometimes you get like blow dryers. One of the months I got like this really cute little travel size blow dryer, and I've used it so many times since I've been traveling so much. So you get some really cool stuff in here. So let's go ahead, let's jump into this box. As you can see, I didn't do my makeup really. I just did like foundation and my brows, and let's see what's in here because normally we have eyeshadow palettes and lipstick and blush and all sorts of things. So let's open up this baby. And whenever you open up the box, you normally have a card in here, and on this card it tells you everything that's in the box. It gives you the prices and then it gives you like a little description of all the things that are in here. We're not gonna look at this because we want to be surprised. It says Boxycharm All Access, so that is the theme this month, is all access. Not exactly sure what that means, but yeah, look at all these goodies we have in here. They're all bubble wrapped and nice and safe and secure. Let's go ahead and open up the first thing. We have Park Avenue Princess Chisel Palette. Oh, so this is I believe a contour palette. Let's go ahead and open up. I love Tarte's packaging. It's super, super nice. Really pretty, nice package. I mean, and then the back is really reflective. It's like a mirror. So if you don't have your travel mirror when you're traveling, boom, here you go. And let's see. Okay, so yes, it is a little contour and highlight palette, and then it does have a mirror in here, which is really nice. It's really big. This would be a really good travel palette. The only thing I can say is it's a little bit heavy, but not too bulky or anything, so I'm excited to try this out. And it says that the Park Avenue Princess palette is MSRP of $45. So that's not bad. That's almost what we paid for the box with one product, and it's a name brand product, which is really cool. The next item that we see in here is, let's see, we have Violet Boss, which we've actually gotten a Violet Boss palette in one of these boxes before. It's called the Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette. Okay, that's pretty. This is really like more fall colors, which I like a lot. And the MSRP on this is $29. So for the price point, hopefully the shadows are really good. In the last palette they were really good, and for $29 that's not bad. It's a little bit more than drugstore, but a lot less than like the Anastasia palettes or Tarte palettes, which are normally like around $50. So we'll try this out on our eyes in a little bit. The next thing I'm seeing in here is a Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. We got the color Angelo, which looks like it's gonna be like a peachy color. I'm not really a nude kind of gal, but maybe I'll love this color. MSRP is $22. Not sure if I would have picked this color, but we will give it a shot. The next item that we have is the Sutra Beauty 32mm 1/4 clipless curling iron with cool tip. Looks like we got a curling iron. Like I said, they've been sending like more hair tools, which I think is really cool that Boxycharm's kind of branching out besides just having like makeup and skincare. We will try out this too. Okay, so it's a pretty thick curling wand. It looks like it's really, really nice, and then as I said, it's a 360 like swirly, so the cord's not going to get all messed up, which I do like that, because it doesn't have a temperature control. It's just an on and off switch, that's it. So I'm not exactly sure how hot that this gets, but we will test out this. I'm always up for a new curling iron. And the MSRP on this says it's $65. So we've gone well over the box amount. The next item that I see is the Hank & Henry Slick with H Long Wear Liquid Black Eyeliner in Blickety Black. I like that name. And it is MSRP of $20. This seems like it's gonna be like one of those fat tips. Let's open this. It is a very fine tip liner. Let's test it. Oh, it's very black. Comes out really nicely. A really skinny little line. Okay. Up next I see IGK Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. Ooh. And the MSRP is $29 on this. I'm not sure how I feel about like a hair balm. It's a leave-in conditioner. I don't know. Ooh, it smells really good though. You guys know I like to smell stuff. Let's put a little bit of this in our hair. It comes out, it's like a more thick formula and it's a clear like serum. My hair's a little bit frizzy today, so maybe this will help smooth out that stuff. It smells really good. It's a nice smell, but it's not overpowering, which I like. Looks like we have 2 more items in here. If you hear my dog barking, sorry about it. We have a Dr. Brandt product, which I really like their skincare products. It is the Hydra-Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Oh, so you sleep with this on? Deeply hydrates and moisturizes to reduce redness and signs of irritation. I've never tried a sleeping mask, so that's kind of interesting. We will see. And the MSRP on this is $52 by itself. That's nice. So we will try this out. I probably won't put this in the actual footage because I mean you have to sleep with it on, but if I love it I'll maybe add it to like a favorites video. The last product that I see in here is the Glow Recipe Pineapple Sea Bright Serum Brightening and Smoothing. And it comes in this really cute box. Like, look you guys, it has a pineapple on it. And it is MSRP of $49. Once again, I will add this to one of my BoxyCharm best and worst videos and let you guys know how, if I liked it or what I'm using or whatever. So the skincare I'm not gonna add in here because it's not really something you can tell right away. But let's go ahead, let's try on some makeup. We have a nice bare canvas. Let's go ahead, let's do our makeup. Okay, up first, let's go ahead and do our eyeshadow. So we're gonna use the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette. So let's go ahead and do a more fall look. So we're gonna use like the oranges and the browns and the gold. And we're gonna do like a quick little eyeshadow look. I'm not gonna do a tutorial, I'm just gonna fly really quick through it, fast forward, and then tell you guys what I think of it. Okay, so we have finished our eye look. My overall thoughts of this eyeshadow palette, they are not bad. Not a whole bunch of fallout, which is nice. Like I said, I've tried the Violet Voss palettes before. This one's not any different. The only thing I can say is not a huge, I mean, there wasn't much you could do with this palette. I feel like there's only like about 3 different eye looks you can do with this palette. Kind of limited because there isn't a whole bunch of like colors in here. I think they performed really well. I think they blend really well. Overall, I think this palette is really nice and I will continue to use this. Definitely worth picking up if you liked, you know, the look I did with my eyeshadow. Up next, we have the Park Princess contouring palette. So let's go ahead, let's contour and bronze up our face a little bit. Let's see, we have some like more shimmery bronzers in here and we have some matte and then we have some like really dark ones. Let's do like a little bit of a shimmery bronze. Let's see, we're gonna use that and we're going to bronze up our cheeks a little bit. I like to contour and I like to bronze because as you can see too, like the lights make my makeup look super like washed out. Like makes me look really, really pale. But I like to just bronze up my cheeks a little bit. So we're gonna use the color Brown, which is that more shimmery bronzer color, and we're just gonna bronze our cheeks. Ooh, you wanna dust that off. Cause it's all, that girl's a little bit pigmented. All right, so let's actually contour. Let's contour with the color Angle. More of like a reddish bronze color. I like to use more of like a gray. I use the Rock palette normally to contour. Let's go ahead and use some of the under eye highlight And let's use the color Halo, which is like the really light color. And let's just highlight under our, ooh, that's very brightening. That's nice. I like that for under eye highlight. I haven't been doing winged liner very much lately. I've been doing just mascara and eyelashes. So let's use a little bit of tape and get a perfect line. So I'm just gonna get some tape so it's not so janky. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let's use that Henry and Hank eyeliner. Let's try it. One thing I can say though, it is very liquidy, so it kind of bleeds a little bit. But it goes on like pretty nicely. It's definitely very, very black, as you guys can see. I'm gonna go ahead and finish off my eyeliner. I do have super watery eyes, so I don't ever fill it all the way to the other side. I normally use my Maybelline gel eyeliner to just do like the front of my eyes, because otherwise my eyes water a lot and then liner gets everywhere. So okay, so I went ahead and I finished my eyeliner with my Maybelline eyeliner in the front, and then I also went ahead and put on mascara and lashes. My thoughts on the Hank and Henry eyeliner is actually a good one. This liner is really, really good. It's very, very black. It comes out really nice. The tip is really nice. I'm not perfect at winged liner anymore because I haven't done it in a while, but I don't think it turned out that bad. So as I said, my eyes are really watery, so if this isn't smear, this might be a liner that I will actually repurchase. Okay, I like that. And then up next we have the Stila lipstick in the color Angelo, which is a very nude color. It's the Stay All Day liquid lipstick. Let's see, it's more of like a pinky kind of nudie orange. Ooh yeah, not really my color. Look like I don't have any lips at all, but okay. Yeah, I've never worn lipstick this color before. I don't know. I'm not super happy with this color that they sent. That's probably why they sent it, because nobody else likes it either. Not a huge fan of this lipstick. The last thing that we have in here is the curling iron. Let's go ahead, let's plug this baby in, and let's curl a few pieces of our hair. Let's see, let's curl it back. So as you guys know, right now I'm wearing a wig topper. This is an actual human hair wig topper too, so let's see. Didn't really do anything. What's up with this curling iron, man? Anything that time? Gives you like a little something, but I'm used to like my small curling iron. This one just kind of gives you like a little bit of wave, I guess. Yeah, see, it just kind of gives you like a wave. Doesn't really curl it, just kind of like waves it, which I think is kind of pretty actually. Now it's kind of growing on me. My final thought about this box is I give it a big thumbs up. I'm actually really excited about everything that we got in here. The only thing that I didn't love was the lipstick. Let's see if we put like a lip gloss over it, if it'll look like any better. This looks really like chalky. Yeah, no, this the lip color is just not for me. I don't think it looks that great. It just looks like really like nude. I don't know, not a fan of it. This is my favorite product I think out of this whole box. My least favorite, like I said, was this lipstick. I've been kind of disappointed lately with some of the boxes. Let's go ahead, let's add up everything that was in the box. So the total value of this box was $311 and we only paid $50. That's a $261 worth of product after our $50. So that's a pretty good deal. Not all boxes can be a home run and can knock it out of the park. like some of them. I feel like this one definitely was a big thumbs up. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to my channel before you leave. I post videos every Tuesday and every Friday. And also, if you aren't following me on Instagram, you should be. Go ahead and follow me. My name is Amanda Yasmin89 on Instagram. I post there pretty much every day about plus size fashion and makeup. I will see you in my next video, and as always, remember, be your own kind of beautiful, and toodles for now. Ew, gross. I got the hair in my mouth. Ugh. What do you guys think of my new background? Do you guys like it? I'm in my new room, everything. I got everything set up so I could film and everything. I know it's a little bit darker than it normally is, but I don't have my two like box lights that I normally use. I'm only using my ring light, so hopefully that's okay. I don't have my regular light on either. Maybe I'll try turning that on. Hey Google, turn on my lights. Is that better? Oh, I think maybe that's a little bit better. I don't know. We'll play around with the background a little bit. Let me know what you guys think about it. I set all this up before Dan left for Korea. So yeah, I'm excited. Thank you guys for watching. See you later. I missed you. And let's film another video because your girl is behind.